Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. Coleman makes some of the best camping grills in the business, and this is one of their most popular products. It doubles up as a stove and grill top with an impressive BTU output of 20,000, making it one of the most powerful camping grills on this list. The grill top features 2 separate burners and has space for 2 large pans, so there's plenty of room to cook up a feast. One of the best things about Coleman's camping grills is that they've been road tested. They are always updating their designs with add-ons that make them easier to use in the wilderness. For example, this grill has 2 wind-blocking panels to protect the burners from the breeze. Another example is the pressure regulator that provides consistent pressure, even in extreme conditions. In short, this is the kind of camping grill you can trust when you're miles away from home. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. As outdoor enthusiasts and founders of Blackstone, we dreamed of a quality outdoor griddle or grill that could cook for large groups and families. In 2005, we made our vision a reality by creating Blackstone products. We then launched the 36 Blackstone griddle that is still popular for backyard cooking and which brings families and friends together for fun and food. Our spectrum of gas griddles and gas grills is popular for backyard living, a BBQ, recreational cooking, or commercial-grade cooking. Since then, the company has expanded dramatically and created a brand new look, as well as a large new line of durable, rugged, innovative, and portable cooking innovations, including an outdoor pizza oven and the ever-so-easy-to-transport and set-up dash. And our products will last a lifetime. By using the latest technologies available and complementing them with our own innovations, we feel we have the leading edge on the market in our categories. Our products are designed and engineered in the USA by people who are avid users and love to entertain outside, at home, in the tailgater parking lot, or just about anywhere. We pride ourselves on the quality of our products and how well they function while keeping the prices very affordable. We have assembled a strong and enthusiastic team with the utmost passion for Blackstone and outdoor cooking, including excellent engineers, intelligent industrial designers, and uniquely creative graphic artists. We have the capability to make any adjustments to our current lines or create new units altogether, tailored around your needs in a very short time, in contrast to our larger entrenched old-school competitors. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Q1200 might just be the ultimate camping grill. If you're planning on cooking a gourmet feast for your camping buddies, you're gonna need the right tools. This awesome camping grill won't let you down. It features 1 stainless steel burner with a total output of 8,500 BTU, which heats the 189 SQ in cooking area quickly and evenly. Then, unlike cheap camping grills, you can shut the shroud and allow the heat to circulate, cooking the food all the way through. There's also no need to open and check on your food, thanks to the built-in lid thermometer. The main difference between this camping grill and the sub-$50 grills we've featured is the build quality. You can feel it every time you open and close the grill and every time it lights on the first try. It has been precision engineered, and it really shows. It's hard to make delicious food when you're not in your own kitchen, but the Weber Q1200 makes it much easier. Notice how sturdy the shroud feels as it opens smoothly on its hinges. See how the burners roar to life on the very first tries. Delighted by how simple it is to achieve a mouth-watering meal every time. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. This list wouldn't be complete without Weber, the rival of Coleman. These two have been butting heads for decades, and yet we still find ourselves using both. Weber's Q1000 allows you to pick it up, drop it down, and just pop in a single 1-pound propane cylinder to get the party started. Use the push-button ignition to get everything rolling right off the bat. The specs on this include a cat aluminum body, which was initially intended for easy cleaning, but it proves a little bit harder to clean than the 5 models above Weber on this list. Because it's all focused on a single burner, which is great for cooking, it produces more stuck-on grease through higher heats. The top on this locks beautifully, so nothing rattles around or shuts abruptly while in transit. We wish the adapter hose for larger tanks didn't have to come separately, but for the excellent price for this sturdy design, Weber's Q1000 is still an excellent buy. For an included thermometer in the hood, you'll need to upgrade to a slightly more expensive version of their Q1000. You may also be interested in some of the best cooking tripods from our list, so check them out. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG 180T Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. It's a little hard not to imagine this grill is riding on a pair of skis. Cuisinart makes excellent interior, kitchen appliances, and they wanted to show the test of their mettle with this killer outdoor camping grill. They didn't disappoint. CGG 180T Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill is set with the twosome in mind. The BTU on this model isn't anything to get excited about, but they do the trick in their 155 square inch cooktop space. For a romantic dinner under the stars, or a solo trip with a bunch of steaks, you're locked and ready to rock and roll. The lightweight nature of this unit, the most lightweight model on our list, means you can just pick it up and go with no strings attached. Simple setup, 13.5 pounds of weight for a quick pickup. Can cook up to 8 burgers at a time, and comes in 3 different colors. The Cuisinart stainless steel Petit tabletop grill is great for small decks and patios, or anywhere space is limited. The compact size keeps the heat near the cooking surface, making it more energy efficient than large grills. The perfect grill for the beach, tailgating, hiking, fishing, or camping. The compact size fits neatly into small spaces so it can travel anywhere. Perfect for RV and boats. It's easy to clean and features a removable grate that's dishwasher safe. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.